What's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to bypass the on-off switch on this here ZXI 1100, or any Kawasaki for that matter. That little switch right there. Let's get to it. Okay, so the only thing you're really going to need is any Kawasaki on-off key. There are a few different ones, but all they have are 3 magnets in them. And what we're going to do is we're going to figure out which magnet configuration this particular on-off switch has. So what you want to do is be pretty careful and take off the metal covering here, and underneath there are going to be 3 magnets. They'll probably snap together. So there you go. So the cover's off, and then you see down in there there's 1, 2, 3 magnets, and what you can do is you can just take those out one by one. They'll normally snap together like that. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to take the magnets and carefully put them on, and they'll snap to where they go polarity wise. Snap into place like that. And what I like to do is mark the tops. So, Sharpie, and then take them to the workbench and we'll put them back in. Okay, so I have them laid out again based on where they go, 1, 2, 3. And now what you want to do, so these are the tops, the ones the side that I marked. So in the key, they need to go in reverse order and also in reverse direction. The bottom of the magnet was attracted to the magnet on the other side, and it needs to repel, so the magnets need to flip over. So basically you take whichever side is marked and you put that in facing out in the hole. So you should be able to still see your marker marks. And now put the cap on, and when you put the cap on, be careful, because sometimes the magnets will want to unseat themselves and stick to the cap. So just try and put it on evenly, and you're ready to go. Okay, so here we are, and as you can see, it's locked, won't move. And then with the key, there you go. Good luck.